If you're trying to decide between the DJI Pocket 4 Pro and a GoPro, here's the real-world breakdown after actually looking at what each one is built for. The DJI Pocket 4 Pro from DJI is all about cinematic, creator-style content. You've got that 3-axis gimbal stabilization, which just makes walking shots look buttery smooth. Add in the larger sensor, better low-light performance, and face tracking, and this thing basically turns solo vlogging into a one-person film crew setup. But then you've got GoPro from GoPro, and it's a completely different mindset. This is the throw it in the mud, mount it on a helmet, jump in the ocean camera. It's tougher, fully waterproof, and built for action sports, where you don't want to think twice. So here's the simple truth. If you want cinematic talking head videos, travel vlogs, and polished social content, go DJI. If you want durability, action, and extreme environments, GoPro wins, no question. Different tools, different jobs.